Hi, this is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. I'm going to show you the Jaltest software. This is version 20.3.1.1. This is the newest version. So we're going to go into Suzuki outboard. Go ahead and select outboard, so Suzuki, and then we'll come down here to the DF140. We'll select that. Software is pretty much the same from what you're used to on the old versions. All your information sheets are on the left. Right here you have your system selection, maintenance reset, manual diagnosis. I'm going system selection. And we'll go to the cables. You can see here, this is the round plug. It's going to be on your older Suzuki's. This one's a 2017, so we're going to be using this selection here with this 4-pin gray connector. I'm going to use a JDC 213.9 plus the JDC 616A. This is for the V9 interface box. If you're using a V8, you would be using the 600 plus the 616M or the 213M3 with the 616A. So we're going to go ahead and connect. And here you see the software is pulled up. We'll go ahead and read default codes. So we'll go into the system here. And you can see we have no fault codes. We'll close out of that. We'll go into system data. Here you see the ECU information. We'll go ahead and click that real quick. It's going to tell you that a reference, engine type, and the power. Let's go out of that. And your operation data, a couple of things here, your operating times, your oil change, and your data record. Okay, so here's your engine times here on your RPMs. Okay, so we'll go back. We'll go into monitoring. Here you have your live data selection, failure counter, and system display. Here's we can select all. Go ahead and look at the parameters. You'll see these here. You can see we have 4 pages. I'll just go through a couple of them. Okay. So go back. Go into the system display. And you see here, obviously, if the engine was running, the injected fuel amount would be going up, so not air control down. Okay, so we get out of there. We'll go into some tests. We'll do the high pressure pump test, and we'll go ahead and do that live feed for you as it's going through. Okay. You can see the process is finished. You also can do the injectors right there. Okay, your system checks, that's where you're going to find your cylinder cutout, ignition angle, and idle air control valve. You're going to have the engine running to do those. And that's what it's going to tell you right there before you can go any further. If you try, it's going to tell you the conditions aren't met. Okay, so your maintenance, your reset after the maintenance, you can do that there. And your data recorder, it'll give you the information on the data recorder, how much you can record. Up to 24 measurements can be obtained continuously for a maximum of 30 minutes. Okay, so if you check that, then you can go ahead and select what you want to go record. Go back here, we'll look at the system data, technical data. I'll select what year, model, configuration. And you'll see all the components there. Wiring diagrams, you can select that same model. You can also double click on those components. It'll tell you what it is. Sometimes it'll give you pictures depending on what they have in the system. There you have the data, technical data, and troubleshooting, the symptoms. Go back here. We'll go ahead and look at the reports right now. If you click on that, it's going to give you a preview of the report. The report's going to tell you everything that you've done while you were connected to the engine. So you see our engine hours, the parameters, your monitor and display. And there's the high pressure test, idle air control. Okay, so you just hit that little print button. You want to print it to a PDF. You want to select OK. And then you'll write in whatever you want that file name to be called. You can see right there, I did one with 2021 Merc 200. Once you're done writing that, you'll save. And then you can print it out or put it on a USB for the customer. Okay, so this is from 2017 Suzuki DF140. This is the Kajali Jaltest software 20.3.1.1. This is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. Thanks for watching.